Hello friends, and welcome back. We're here with another video. This time I am doing a tutorial to show you how to make your own font. So first you want to go to Calligrapher and you want to set up an account or sign in. So once you sign in, these are your steps right here. I've highlighted them and this is all you have to do. So you go in, you create a template, and you can choose multiple different languages, different symbols, wingdings. They have a whole list. You do have to do, I think, like the pro version to get the option to do all of these for a font, but otherwise you at least can do the alphabet, capital letters, lowercase letters, symbols that you normally would use, and then some numbers. So you can see I've highlighted that portion there, so you know you can only do, I think, 75 glyphs. And then you go ahead, download the template. I usually do the standard size. I do PDF. I do the characters in the background so that you can kind of see the letter centered in the little square, which you'll see in a second. So here you want to open your zip file. This is going to look a lot different when you do it yourself. I had so many different things selected that I have all these templates, but you'll see I'm only going to go with template number 1 because that's all I really need, just the basic alphabet. So here we are, template number 1. I usually like to spread it out so that it fits the page. I just do a standard paper size, and I like to center it as well. But you want to make sure that you have the black squares visible. That's how it reads the whole document and comes up with the font. So you can see I created a second layer to go over top, and I'm just putting my letters in. So like I said, you can do symbols like my little I, exclamation point. Here I'm just kind of showing you how you'll draw in the box. You want to make sure everything's in the box. I like to see the letters behind, so I have everything nice and centered, and I don't know if I didn't do that for this template, but I normally do. Make sure that the letters are nice and centered and kind of opaque behind everything so I can just kind of trace them if I need to, or just make sure that they are laying in the right area. So then from here, I go back in when I'm all done and I upload the template. So you can see I'm clicking it right there, and it will automatically clean the template for you and get rid of all the background. So all you have to do is go in, choose your file. You can upload it, and I'm doing this on my iPad, so it's really easy to do on your iPad, everything from your iPad. And there's the font that I went ahead with. It's kind of like a tattooed inspired font. And here you can see I put the font into Procreate. You can't really see it right there, but I'm about to select the font right now. So you'll see this is just a regular font, but what you want to do is click on the font, click import font, and then you can see tatted is what I named it, and now it's on my list. So I'm going to scroll down to tatted, and I'm looking for it, there it is. Select, hit done, you know, make things big or small, and there we have it. Hey Earth critters! Hopefully this was helpful. I tried to cut pieces and parts out of there because I'm not showing my personal information, but I think this is pretty much sufficient to show you how to make your own font. Super straightforward. You just have to have a good idea, and the rest is real easy. Okay, bye!